Hi there, and welcome to today's video. I wanted to share with you some fantastic programs that I use and that can help you tap into your creativity. These programs are perfect for seniors looking to explore new hobbies or express themselves without relying on social media or traditional activities like gardening, cooking, or knitting. Now, I will put a link in the description to all of the programs I'm going to talk about. The first one is Canva. This is one I use a lot. This user-friendly graphic design tool allows you to create stunning visuals, whether you're making social media posts, presentations, or flyers. It's incredibly easy to use, so you don't need any prior design skills. The basic version is free, but if you want to unlock some extra features, there's a pro version available. Just remember, all you need is a computer or a tablet with internet access to get started. I use Canva a lot and have created a lot of my shorts videos using it. It's dead easy to use and there are loads of tutorials. The next one I've used is Substack. Now, if you have ever wanted to share your thoughts or stories with others, this is the platform for you. Substack lets you write and distribute newsletters easily, and you don't need any special writing experience to dive in. It's completely free to start, and you can even offer premium content for subscribers if you choose. Again, all you need is a computer or tablet to get going, and I've used it to write short stories, and I love it. Now then, there's Audacity, which is perfect for anyone interested in creating podcasts or audio stories. This free audio editing software allows you to record and edit audio files with ease. While it might be a bit more complex than Canva or Substack, there are plenty of tutorials available to help you along the way. Just make sure your computer has enough storage for your audio files. I've used Audacity to create podcasts I've made about my experience writing my book, Olga, A Daughter's Tale. Again, easy to use and lots of tutorials. The next one is Storybird. This platform is great for unleashing your creativity through writing. It provides beautiful artwork as inspiration, making it easier to craft engaging stories or poems. You don't need any prior writing skills and the interface is super simple to navigate. If you're looking for a fun way to tell stories, Storybird is a great option. Now, another excellent option is ArtRage. This is one I haven't used, but I'm planned to. This digital painting program simulates traditional art tools so you can create beautiful artwork with a tactile feel. It's designed to be user-friendly, but a little familiarity with digital art tools might help. ArtRage does cost about $80 for a one-time purpose though, but they often have sales and free trials available. Now finally is Blurb. If you've ever dreamed of creating a professional quality book, Blurb is the way to go. Excuse me. It allows you to craft everything from photo books to trade books and even magazines. It's pretty easy to use, and while some understanding of design principles can help, it's not required. You can start for free, but keep in mind there are costs associated with printing your book. Before you dive into these programs, remember that the first requirement is having a computer or an iPad or a tablet with internet access. And don't worry if you're new to technology. Each of these programs is designed to be accessible and user-friendly with plenty of tutorials and resources available to guide you along the way. I will put a link, as I said, in the description for each of these programs so you can check them out. With a little practice, you'll find that expressing your creativity is not only achievable, but incredibly rewarding. So let's get started on this exciting creative journey together. But before you go, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any tips, strategies, or advice from a seasoned golden oldie, me. And of course, please don't forget to like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. Okay, so that's it for now. See you later. Bye for now.